Hi there, welcome to AirTrack. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the app once you're signed up to Premium and show you how to make the most out of it. First, let's enable Air Coach. This feature enables always-on tracking and provides personalised recommendations. To get started, open the AirTrack app and go to your homepage, the leftmost tab. Tap Enable Air Coach button on the orange card at the top. A pop-up will appear explaining the feature. Tap Enable to activate it. Tap Enable Notifications, open Settings, turn on all AirTrack notifications, then come back to the app. Enable Location. Turn on Location and select Allow at all times, then come back to the app. Once AirCoach is enabled, you'll be taken to personalise its settings in the Settings tab, the far right tab. There you can choose a default time zone, select your most common vehicle type, and turn on daily notifications to receive a reminder at a time that suits you. You can also explore more advanced settings, like choosing between more accurate tracking or better battery life, and setting your activity transition time, meaning how long you need to be doing a new activity before it starts a new segment. Now AirCoach is all set up and your movements will be recorded in the background automatically. Back on the homepage, you'll see your movements divided into segments, showing all your activities in detail. Tap any segment to see more information, like the activity type, distance, start and finish, environment, and AirTrack score. You can manually adjust this data if needed. View the map of a specific activity and tap on Route Suggestions to get cleaner routes of similar or shorter length, or tap on Cleaner Timing to get better times to head out. You can also check your air quality exposure across 5 pollutants: PM2.5, PM10, NO2, O3, and SO2. You can also track activities manually. Tap the orange plus sign to start recording. Choose your activity type. We support over 26 sports and 5 vehicle types for commutes. And recording begins automatically. When you're done, tap the circle with the red square to stop, then tap Save. Review your activity details and you're done. Second, let's check out the 4-day air forecast. Head to your homepage and tap Today, Tomorrow, Saturday or Sunday, for example, at the top to get the air quality forecast for each hour of the day. Next, let's go to the Analytics page. Tap the second button from the left to open it. You'll find 2 AirTrack scores, one for your actual air quality exposure and one for the potential reduction based on our recommendations. You can also explore your score timeline, a full list of your activities for the day, and a map of all your routes. And don't forget to read your AirCoach insights with detailed route and timing suggestions based on your movements. You can switch days to get this data for any day you choose. Third, let's check out leaderboards. As a premium member, you can join or create groups. To create a leaderboard, tap the orange Create Group button, fill in the name and description, then tap Create Group and Share. You'll get an invite link and a join code to share with others. To join an existing group, tap Join with a code. Enter the code, read the description, accept the terms and tap Join this group. That's it. You can now compare your number of journeys and clean air score with friends, family and colleagues. Finally, personalise your name. Go to Settings, tap Account, then Add a nickname. Save it and other air trackers will see your name on the leaderboard. And that's it. You're all set up with AirTrack Premium. To make the most of the premium plan, let's explore what else is available. Share your activities. Tap the top right button to share any past activity. Your route is trimmed at the start and end for privacy. Connect your other apps. You can connect AirTrack with Strava, Apple Health, or Google Health. If you don't use any of these, feel free to skip this part. To sync with Apple or Google Health, tap Connect Apple/Google Health, or go to App Connections in Settings. Tap the sync button so it turns orange, then follow the prompts to allow AirTrack to read your health data. To sync with Strava, turn on the Strava sync button, log into your account when prompted, and authorize AirTrack to connect. Once you're synced, you can personalize how AirTrack data appears on your Strava feed and choose between none for no air quality data, concise for your AirTrack score only, score for route and timing improvements, and detailed for AI-powered summary. You can also personalize your notification preferences. Enable communications to receive updates on new features, services, and partner organizations. If you need support, you can contact us directly through the app. You can send logs for troubleshooting, delete your account, or check which app version you're using. And that's it. You're all set up with AirTrack Premium.